guys!
Hey guys!
Welcome to another Exploring and Experiment with
Izzy!
That's right.
Oh, Luna's trying to say hi too. Say hi,
Luna always is in our videos.
Yeah. Luna says hi too.
We're so excited today because what are we going to make?
We're gonna have some science.
What do we call them? Sensory science?
Yes, sensory science.
We're going to have some sensory science.
Yep, sensory
science.
Science.
And we're really excited about it.
Yep, we're really excited.
Okay, are we ready to show them the ingredients?
Yes.
Okay, let's get the ingredients.
Let's go.
So we need a bowl,
Yep, a big bowl.
big bowl. And what else, Izzy?
We'll need some beads.
Some of these little beads, the little water beads. So you're gonna need some of those. And then we're gonna need
Water.
water. And also, last but not least,
Balloons.
some balloons. Okay, so we don't need the balloons yet. The first thing we need to do, and this just shows you what's gonna happen to the beads. They're gonna get bigger.
Big.
They soak up the water. That's why they're called water beads. So the first thing we need to do is pour our beads into the bowl.
The next thing we need is to pour our water.
That's right. Go ahead. Awesome.
Oh, Luna came to say hi too.
These need more water. They're so squishy. I like how they feel. They feel like Jello. So squishy. I like them.
All right, guys, so we're gonna blow up a balloon to kind of stretch it out.
Yep. And then
And look how much more stretched it is now.
see, it's more stretched
And we're gonna fill it up
with beads.
with our beads. And since our beads aren't fully full yet, we'll put a bunch of them in and then we'll add some water so they can keep growing in the balloon and stretch the balloon out a little bit bigger. Good. Yeah, a little more. Good. A little more. All right, pour some of that water in.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, perfect. All right.
Can't wait for you to tie in. I just squish.
Let's tie it up. Want to give it a squish?
Let's squish it.
Squish it up.
Squish. I like how it's squishy and stuff. I like how it's like so squishy and it has big beads in it. Oh. Squishy, squish, squish, squish. It's soft and squishy, and I like how it feels.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We are so glad that you watched with us today, and we hope you had fun with our
Squishy
science.
experiment.
Squishy science. Our sensory
Squishy.
science, right?
Sensory science. Hope you had fun with our sensory science.
All right, guys, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yep.